Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from the hit TV show Shark Tank, and with me is Dr. Justin Klein from Got Your Back Total Health. Hey, Dr. Justin, I know when folks get to know you, they call you Dr. J, right?
Yes, they do.
Can we call you that, Dr.
Sure can.
J?
Sure
all right,
can.
great.
Absolutely.
So tell me, what is the business all about? The Got Your Back Total Health. It's a pretty cool concept. I like the name.
Yeah, thank you. We're an integrated regenerative and physical medicine clinic in the Washington, D.C.
Washington,
area.
D.C. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a great area to be in. And so integrative regenerative medicine, this is the wave of the future. And I know as I'm getting older, and I've been having some challenges with some of we talked about the old wrestling days, right?
Yeah.
I had a neck injury way back, but tell me what it makes you unique in the marketplace.
So I got into chiropractic as a doctor of chiropractic because I was just really interested in injury and health and wellness and optimal healing. And an old wrestling injury led me to understand that.
Both of us, how about that?
The week
right?
before the state tournament, tore ligaments in my ankle.
Oh, wow.
I was supposed to be able to challenge for that championship if possible, and I just noticed my life changing, flipped upside down, and I realized I was probably going to be a healer. And
yeah.
So, really, it's, with a chiropractic clinic, we understand even with chiropractic and physical therapy and nutrition that there are limitations, So
right.
We got into regenerative medicine because it really does help us to bring the gap together,
Gotcha.
so to speak,
Yeah.
and really close the gap in order to make sure that we have all of our possible options.
And how many years now have you been doing this in the D.C. area?
We've been in clinic for 11 years.
Okay.
Clinic in the Washington, D.C. area. We've
Great.
been in regenerative medicine for this past year.
Yeah.
As it is a new age type of thing,
Yeah.
game-changing type of
It's just
healthcare.
blowing up all
Yep,
over, and
absolutely.
it's now that
Yep.
so you took your 11 years of history helping patients now
Yes, sir.
with regenerative. Did you have to add some equipment or people, or what happened when you went fully regenerative?
Absolutely. We brought in a nurse practitioner,
Right.
MDs, so we're now an
yeah.
integrated center full of doctors of all kinds. So
Nice.
we have meetings before and after shifts. We have weekly meetings to discuss everybody's integrated care.
And you'd work on both Democrats and Republicans
All of
in
them,
Washington, D.C.
all of them. We do
Anybody
not
would
judge.
pay.
We do not judge. Yes,
That's
absolutely.
good. I love
Everybody's
that.
welcome.
So, over the years now, you've had your own story of kind of transformation, but you've probably seen some other people have some pretty
absolutely.
interesting success stories, right? You want to share anything with us at all?
Sure. I've got a couple of quick stories for you. One, a recent veteran. He's been out for a long time. We've been dealing with his neurologist, his orthopedist, and everybody, and he still would wake up with a 2 to 4 out of 10 in pain every single day. Had his regenerative medicine shot, and he's continuing with his care, and he's been 0 to 1 every morning.
Wow.
Ever since. Another case, I had a guy who he had a surgery about 7 months ago. AC joint in the shoulder was separated and remained separated, and he had to use his other arm to lift the arm
Wow.
above shoulder height. Had his regenerative medicine injection, and I can't believe that just the movement in chiropractic was helping him. Within 5 days, he was lifting that thing over his head.
Wow.
And the icing on the cake is that my mom's birthday was last week. So we decided to put some regenerative medicine in her arthritic area around her neck, and she's in a lot less pain right now.
That's
and moving
amazing.
a whole lot better. And it's a game changer. It's really just an amazing new science that we're ready to take to the next level.
Yeah. And so as you have embraced this in Washington, D.C., you're seeing now your practice grow and expand and
Absolutely.
take on many new patients. People that are sitting out there, they may be thinking, when do I make that phone call? Whether they woke up a little funny or whatever. But walk us through your recommendations on that.
Make it now. Make that call now. And I can speak personally because a little over a month ago, I was rock climbing and I tore my MCL.
Oh.
And I even asked that question. And because we know regenerative medicine to help people even with chronic problems. Things they've been dealing with degenerating for years.
Yeah.
And it is a game changer even for that. But what I was told was get it done as soon as you can.
Now is the time.
And I had the injection a week later, and we've been watching on diagnostic ultrasound that ligament is almost completely closed, and this is 5 weeks after the injury.
Wow.
So it's pretty amazing.
I love it. You got my back. You got everybody's back. Got your back. Total Health is your company.
Doing my best.
Dr. J,
Doing my
hey,
best, yeah.
it's great having you
Thank
here.
you.
And those that are listening right now, if they want to reach you, We got all the information on the screen. They can track you down. And this is great spending some time with you, because people in the Washington, D.C. area, they're going to be needing some help, and they should be calling. Dr. J got your back. Total health. Thank you
sir.
for
Thanks,
being
Kevin.
here. All right.
Remember, you're not meant to be broken.
Thank you.